Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Infiniti Q50 rear bumper. Start by opening the trunk and removing the trunk liner clips to expose fasteners. Unplug rear lights and backup sensors carefully and tuck cables out of the way. Remove wheel well clips and underbody fasteners next, then slide the bumper cover straight rearward to unclip it from the body. Begin at the trunk edge and use a trim tool to pry out top clips without breaking them. Work each wheel well next, turning the wheel inward for access and removing the two visible bolts. Crawl under the car to unscrew the underbody fasteners, keeping parts organized in a labeled tray. This method prevents lost hardware and makes reinstallation straightforward and faster. With all fasteners removed, have an assistant hold the bumper at both corners to prevent it from falling. Gently pull the bumper outward and feel for remaining clips that may still hold. Release them one at a time. Disconnect any remaining wiring harnesses, then fully remove the bumper and set it on a soft surface. Check all mounting points and replace damaged clips so the bumper aligns correctly on reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.